Hello and welcome. We are currently walking underneath Highway 544, facing east-ish toward the ocean. Lately in this area, we've had a good bit of rain locally and upstream from our watershed, and it has caused quite a bit of rising in our rivers and in the waterway. So I came here to get a peek at the level because the waterway has a few crossings, and this one in particular by the Socastee area swing bridge has a very low bridge, and it's a good barometer to see how high the water has gotten. But before I go look at the swing bridge and the little park over here, let's take a look at the level of the water right here. So if you were to drop your boat in the waterway, it would be right here. So you get an idea of how high it really is. There is, if we look closely, underwater, there's a walkway that goes out to that float. You can see this yard over here is totally submerged, flooded, inundated, if you will, whatever fancy word you want to use. So yeah, this wasn't even a hurricane or a tropical storm or anything like that. This was just a good bit of winter rain. And believe it or not, we do get some solid flooding this time of year. I mean, it's cold, the ground's a little more solid. You don't have as much penetration into the ground for the water to seep in. So instead of seeping into the ground, where does it go? It flows into the rivers, into the waterway. Appreciate that. That's a nice touch, little fishies. So, over here is a little river walk, waterway walk, whatever term you want to call it. And it is submerged. Actually, the water is a little lower than it was yesterday, from what it looks like. So, this just gives you an idea. There's a little vantage point. And there's the Socastee swing bridge in the distance. We'll walk over there and take a look at that. I like to use that bridge as my go-by on flooding because it is, as I said earlier, a very low crossing over the waterway. I believe it's the lowest in this area, but if you know a better location, comment down below, let me know, and I can use that as my reference point to the water level. And typically this is not submerged. Typically you can walk out on that walkway and get a view of the waterway and water sports. And that's Highway 544 right over there. So I just wanted to come out here, get a peek, and show and share with you guys and gals what just a typical high water situation looks like in the colder months in the Myrtle Beach area. Not the most exciting video in the world, but interesting nonetheless. All right, guys, I'm gonna head on out because it is freaking cold out here today. It's in the 30s, so I'm gonna find some warmer conditions. So until next time, take it easy.